Hello, instant graham cracker holes. It's me, Tony, also known as DanderFly, the guy. Oh, yes, and I thought, because I draw a lot of stuff on here, that today you guys would like to learn, join along, and just have a great time. How about that? How about that? Have a great time. How about that? Indeed. Ooh, so first things first, because you're beginners and I'm the master here, and you guys stink, we're going to start things off with the pink. Oh, huh? Ooh, oh. Anyway, we should turn this downwards. Wow. Oh, you can't see that. Okay. Don't worry about that. Ooh, okay. Okay, guys, so we're down here now. Shh, don't tell anybody. Don't tell anyone. We're down here now. Everything's awesome. We have table salt and Colgate watermelon toothpaste. Cause now the first thing you gotta ask yourself, as any artist will tell you, is what am I going to do about punching a black guy today? Preferential treatment, you see. Oh yes, what am I going to draw? Well, you see how much of a boss nigga I am? Freaking pre-planned it. Let's see, Inktober it is. And I can pick out of any of these. We got some real winners here, let me tell you that, folks. Fish, wisp, bulky radio blade, rodent, fancy teeth, throw, hope, disgusting, slippery, dune, armor, outpost. Yeah, I really want to... No, is that called an outshack? Outpost? I don't know. Do they really expect you to draw an outhouse, it's called. I have poop on the brain. How about that, guys? Okay, rocket storm, trap, dizzy, coral, sleep, chef, rip, dig, buddy, hide, music, float, shoes, ominous, crawl. And these all suck. Oh boy. Oh. What to choose? We're gonna have to take a break here. Fancy. I like fancy. You know what? I decided we're going with fancy, guys. We're going with fancy! Something I clearly know a lot about. Because, you know, I know how to tie a bow tie. You don't. Yeah, don't Google it, bitch. Don't Google it, bitch. Yeah, that's right. That's right. You suck and I rock. Tony insults you and doesn't draw anything and gets a hair on his pink thingy over there. Whoops! Oh no! Who's this guy right here? Hold on. Who the F's that guy? He's getting in my shot. I don't recall inviting this guy. What's going on there? Whee! If only I could invent... If I could draw one thing, that would be a good idea. It would be a United States that isn't now. One that would be in the past with more white people. But I'm doing some wishful thinking right now. So what I'm going to do now is a list of things women are good for besides their looks. You know, you go to a restaurant, all they are waitresses. There's none in the kitchen. It's just a bunch of spick dudes. I just noticed that. That's nuts. How about that one? Put that in a salad, bitch. Ooh, ooh. If I focus enough energy on this, it will draw itself. It did not happen. Screw you. Here we go. I'm going to draw something fancy. Okay. Okay. Fancy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ring, ring. Who's that? Hold on. Let me click my phone right here. Hello? Who's this? The New Yorker, you say? $2 billion. Oh, surely. I can work for less. $3 billion. What? If you insist. See, that was the least fun I ever had just now. You know, I was having a good time, then just I actually have to do something. Yawn! This is why they don't like me at my job either. Oh, you mean I have to do work? For what? Paper. What? Huh? Anyway, I can bring you guys back up. So yeah, here it is. Fancy. See, he's got the monocle, and he's shooting it with one hand. You know, but he needed that monocle to make the shot with the depth thing going on. Boy, doesn't he know. But you know what? The nice press suit out in the b-ball court. He made the shot on a gorgeous pink day. And this concludes Tony Draws. Give yourselves a round of applause. You have the attention span of a horsefly instead of a gnat with these TikTokers nowadays. But horseflies are only this big, so you know. How about I give you guys lots of credit when you make it through the DanderFly 2-hour special? Something tells me many will try, few will win. And this concludes the thingy.